Hi everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Cini Putri Maheswari with the final name number 002.
Let me introduce myself. My name is Aritza Latif Huril Zafata. The number is 21.
My name is Naila Lindiananda with student ID number 017. Okay, the background is the rapid development of digital technology has transformed how people access information and learn. One of the most influential platforms in today's educational landscape is YouTube, which functions not only as an entertainment medium but also as an effective learning resource. This platform provides students with free access to various learning materials in an engaging and flexible way. Traditional learning methods that rely heavily on one-way instruction often make students feel bored and less motivated. However, with media such as YouTube, learning becomes more interactive and enjoyable through the use of visual, audio, and storytelling elements. Moreover, the platform's accessibility and flexibility allows students to learn independently at their own pace and convenience. The aligns with the demands of 21st century education, which embraces independence, creativity, and motivation in learning.
Our goals is 1. Explain how YouTube serves as a platform that enhances student learning motivation. 2. Identify the learning aspect supported by YouTube such as visual, interactive, and self-directed learning. 3. Show how educational content creators on YouTube inspire and motivate students to study harder and enjoy the learning process. 4. Demonstrate that digital platforms like YouTube can serve as effective alternative to improve the quality of modern learning. Let's get into the introduction. In the current digital era, YouTube has become one of the most popular learning platforms among students and educators. Through numerous educational channels, learners can explore subjects such as science, language, history, and technology in a fun and accessibly wide. Search from Igvar et al. 2024. The platform visual and animated features help make complex concepts easier to understand. Search from Burke and Snyder 2008. While its flexibility allows students to learn anytime and anywhere according to their personal learning styles. Search from Al-Wahhabi 2015. Beyond being a learning tool, YouTube also acts as a source of inspiration and motivation. Many educational YouTube share their learning experience, study tips, and success stories that encourage students to keep improving and view learning as an enjoyable process. Therefore, YouTube serves not only as an information source, but also as an effective medium to foster learning, motivation, and curiosity among students.
In this part, I will explain how YouTube help to increase student learning motivation. Today, many students use YouTube not only for entertainment, but also as a learning tool. So, YouTube as a platform that boosts learning motivation. The first, YouTube makes learning accessible and fun. YouTube gives students free access to many educational videos from science, language, history, and more. Igvar et al. 2024. The lessons are explained in creative and fun ways using visual, music, and storytelling. This makes students feel more interested and not bored during learning. The second, YouTube support visual and interactive learning. Not all students learn best by reading. Some understand better through visual, animation, or real example, and YouTube provide that. Burke and Snyder 2008. It makes difficult topics easier to understand and keep students focused. The third, YouTube encourages self-learning. One big advantage of YouTube is flexibility. Al-Wahibi, 2015. Student can learn anytime and anywhere. They can pause, reply, or choose lessons that match their own learning style. It builds independence and responsibility in learning. Therefore, YouTube inspires and motivates many educational YouTubers share their experience, study tips, and success stories. Putri et al. 2024. This motivates students to keep improving and believe that learning can be enjoyable. Sometimes seeing someone's journey can inspire them to study hard. The last, YouTube increases curiosity and enjoyment. When learning is fun, students become more curious, and want to explore more topics. YouTube helps build this curiosity by offering endless learning materials on any subject. Sakir, Dollah, and Ahmad 2020. As a result, students enjoy learning instead of feeling pressure.
Okay, the conclusion is YouTube is a platform that can increase student motivation to learn. YouTube makes learning more accessible and fun, support visual and interactive learning, and encourage self-learning. In addition, YouTube also inspires, motivates, increases curiosity, and makes the learning process more enjoyable for students.
Maybe a little from us. If a bit wrong, we apologize. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.